This is the R&G rear paddock stand, which is designed to lift your bike from the rear using spool mounting points. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and you can find this available at accessoryinternational.com. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice on this R&G paddock stand is that the design is very simple to use. So if your bike has spools installed, then the stand is pretty much going to work with most bikes out there. It doesn't matter if you've got a Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda model. What really matters, again, is the spools, because that is what's going to give you a secure lifting point to basically lift the bike up and down with these mounting points here. Now, the stand is adjustable, so you can actually adjust the width of the mounting point here, again, so that you can use this with a variety of different spooled bikes. You have a tubular steel construction with a nice wide base as well, so that's going to give you good stability. And then these spool style hooks here on both sides, some smooth rolling caster wheels, and a clean powder coated black finish to top it all off. Now, when you're lifting the bike, this feels very planted. There's not going to be any flex. And then the wheels are very smooth rolling so that you're not fighting with the stand when you are in the process of lifting or lowering. Now, this R&G stand is an option that's real solid to trust, but still affordable, so it's easy to use without overcomplicating things. A couple small details that I like on the stand: you got that powder coated black finish, so it's going to keep it looking nice and clean while also preventing rust. It's got a modular design, so you can actually break this down for storage or transport. For anyone that's doing chain maintenance, cleaning, or just storing the bike properly, this is one of these garage tools that you can't go wrong with. And my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions at all about this stand or any of the other R&G items we have listed online, give us a call, 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning into the video today. If you found any value, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.